What is up, everyone? This is Too Slow, and today I will be installing an OEM alarm, or I guess you want to call it the VIP security system model RS3200 for the Toyota Celica. And this is an alarm I actually pulled out of the parts Celica that I went to go buy at Atwater, and it's actually not that hard. I kind of thought it was going to be hard, but realistically it's just a couple of plugs. So everything is like plug and play, if that makes sense. All these wires are the ones that go in the center. Like you can see, you would unplug the one that goes to your car, plug it in right here, and then you plug this one back where you unplugged the connector from. It's really simple. All it is just really tedious because you have to remove like half of your car's interior. Like I have almost everything off: center, radio, console, and like under panels, and same with the steering wheel. The only one wire I know that needs to be spliced in is the one for the clock spring, which is this one, and I will show you guys where that one goes. But everything else is really simple, just plug and play, and I will guide you guys through it. So once you have your alarm box all set out, you want to get the correct wires. These are the ones that go to the driver's side door. Try to untangle them, you know, don't start installing them and then they're all tangled up. Okay, so this is our bunch for the center, and I'm gonna go ahead and start with the very simple one. There's this one right here. Here, let me change lens. You have this one right here, and that one on our harness is right, I saw it. Is it? So it's this one right here. Look. So it's this one right here. So this is the one from our harness. So what you would want to do is plug it in, and then the one for your car, just plug it back into the pigtail for the piggyback for the alarm. And which way does it go? Oh, it goes the other way. Okay, so oh, come on, Seabass, why are you failing so hard? Alright, there you go. So that's the general idea of what you're doing here. All you're doing is unplugging the original one from your car, plugging it into the harness through the pigtail or the piggyback, and then plugging the one from the alarm into your car, if that makes sense. I'm gonna guide you which ones are the ones that I have to be removed. Next ones I believe are these two right here. You have 1 and 2. Yeah, so you have these two right here that go to the red body control module. So once you have that bottom one removed, go find your pair and just plug it in. So that big one that has this contraption, concoction, or whatever you want to say, so the one that has this, it goes into that bottom one, and I already plugged it in. So let's move on to the other one. The next one we'll be removing is this one right here, and I believe it's this plug right here, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see if I can do this with one hand, people. One hand Seabass. Come on, Seabass, at least get one. There we go. All right, cool. So then that one goes back in. Let's do this. Goes back in. All right, cool. So another thing with the whole installation of this, you're gonna get a crap ton of wires now just inside bundled up here, and that's exactly how the dealership installs it. They just bunch everything up here and hope for the best, I guess. Not the cleanest install, but well, I mean, you won't really see it once you cover it all up. So you have one right here in front of you. You unplug this one. Then, let's see. Oh gosh. No, come on. Come on. What did I not... Oh, I'm putting it in wrong. Sebastian's a dummy, everyone. Don't watch his videos. Wait. Yeah, I was putting it in wrong. Sebastian's a dummy, people. Don't watch his videos. He doesn't know what he's doing. Oh, God. Okay, here we go. There we go. There we go. So then that one goes in here. And then the last one, it's over here. Behind this one, there's one right here. You'll probably get it from the top. It's really hard to see, but there's one right here in between this yellow and the one I was pointing at. You can see it's behind this one. It's behind it. If I'm able to reach it, anyone can. But just get the last plug, people. The last one. And then the one under the dash, it's right here. So it's this one. We get our plug. We just stick it in and pop that one in. So I'm just doing this right now just for showing you how to connect it, but I'll go back and zip tie everything and make it look nice, you know, decent. So then this is our clock spring one. And that clock spring one, you're gonna want to put it at the top left one. The very top left. That's where you're gonna splice it into this one. Very top left. Don't forget it. And then we're gonna hook up the last two big major plugs. Let's see. I believe this one goes right here if I'm not mistaken. Yep, I think that one goes right there. So then plug in the connector, and then we have one last one, and I believe that one goes right here behind the flasher underneath the blue relay. Come on, there we go. All right, and that goes in there, and voila, that should be everything connecting wise. Oh no, we still have one more on the passenger side, people. So that's done. These two wires that I cut, that's for the chirper that goes into the hood, or the piezo sensor, whatever you want to call it. Piezo, I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna leave those there, and I'm gonna set this right here. I'm gonna go connect the last one on the passenger side. Last one. As I said, I'm just running these for testing purposes. I will make sure to connect everything back together to make it look nice. All right. This should work now. All right, let's go plug in our battery and see what happens. Finally got everything wired up, or everything covered up, because there was a lot to cover up. Oh my gosh, this was by far the most annoying one to install, but I mean, it's not bad. It's just very time consuming, really time consuming. But as I said, I got everything back together and I got the fob here. I'm gonna go ahead and test it out. If you guys are wondering which fob is this, all it says on the back is FCC ID BAB 237131-056. So it's the one I'm using right here. Unfortunately, it does work, but I found out that my driver's side door lock actuator is actually very weak, so I don't think it's gonna close with the door open. But anyways, when I use it, it sometimes won't lock because my actuator is actually very weak. So that's going to be a future video, actually, replacing the door lock actuators, because yeah, that was kind of the purpose I bought this. I kind of don't want to use my key and want to make sure it locks the car before I leave. So it's a few days later and I finally got a battery for the fob, but let's check it out, see if it works. You can hear it unlock, and with that, there you go. So if we lock it, it's locked. That's awesome. I just wanted this because I was getting tired and annoyed of having to unlock the door with the key. But one of the things I also did to get a better signal was that wire that comes out of the box, I ran it up along the pillar all the way to here so that I could get a better signal from a farther distance. But that's how it is. That's all it is to it, to the whole alarm system, to wire it up. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell notification button, share this video, and more videos like this to come. Thank you guys.